Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will be teaching you guys how to crop a picture using the pen tool. There are many tools you can use to crop a picture, like for instance the magic wand tool and quick selection tool, but this pen tool has a unique feature to crop a picture. Now let's go. Now you click and drag, give it the shape of that picture. Now hold alternate, click on this and drag it down. Yeah, you zoom it so that you will see a clear detail of what you are doing. There are other unique features of this pen tool. Yeah, there are many things you can do with this pen tool. You can sketch with this pen tool. Let me say, for instance, this picture you are seeing here, I can sketch with pen tool. The tutorial I'll be releasing today. Yeah, I'll be using a tutorial today on how to sketch with pen tool. So I believe in that tutorial you will know how to sketch with pen tool. Yeah, so you click and drag. Click and drag on it. So I hope you are following up. Yeah, if you are not following up, try to do so. Yeah. So we'll be releasing a video on how to sketch using the pen tool. You can subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified whenever the video is released. Yeah, so you can like our tutorial, e-crop tutorial. Yeah, you can like it. So now we are through with the sketching of a thing. Now you guys click on make selection. Now click OK. Now you see the line, selection line around the picture. Now after that you go to selection, click on inverse. Now you strike delete. Press Ctrl D. Now as you can see, automatically we have cropped this picture. Yeah, the background has been removed automatically. So this is how to crop picture using the pen tool. No matter how complex the picture is, you can use pen tool to crop it. So I hope we are able to learn something from this tutorial, and I hope you like the tutorial. Please, if you do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates, and as well like our tutorial, e-crop tutorial. Thank you. And if there is anything that you are finding difficult in Photoshop, you can comment below on the comment box so that you'll be able to treat it in our upcoming tutorial. Thank you.